Hello, in front of me I've got Microsoft headphones Surface 2. In this video I'll show you how to manage controls. Firstly, take a look at the right ear cup. Right here we've got the control panel. Press this button shortly to turn your headphones on and off, and press and hold it for 5 seconds to activate voice assistant. Press this button to mute or unmute microphone. Twist this knob to change volume. Twist this knob to adjust noise cancellation. Now, take a look at the left side of your headphones. Right here we've got the touch area. Same here. Single tap on the touch area. Play pause. Double tap. Next song. Answer call. Triple tap. Previous song. And touch and hold. Decline call. And that's basically it for gestures. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.